Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I'm a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I'm here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Bridge and Implant Floss is a thick and flexible floss. The floss is spongy with two stiff plastic ends, making it easy to grip and insert. The TePe Bridge and Implant Floss is specially designed for daily cleaning of implants, bridges, and braces. It is also suitable for periodontal care. When using the Bridge and Implant Floss, you can soak the spongy middle portion in a medicament if desired. Insert one stiff end between the teeth or under your prosthesis, for example, a bridge or overdenture screw retained onto implants. Wrap the floss against the tooth, implant, or prosthesis, and move up and down a couple times to remove plaque. The floss is wide and spongy for efficient cleaning. This is a one-time use disposable floss. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.